skincare preparation for that special bridal day. And by that, at Love Your Skin, we don't just mean the bride. Of course the bride needs special skincare preparation for her special day. She has to look the best out of everybody there. But you know, there are also other special people there. The bridesmaids, the mother of the bride, the future mother-in-law. All of these people are going to be a focus of attention on that day and need some skincare preparation. And very often these people have not been doing this quite regularly already. Now you need to start this weeks in advance. Don't go for that last minute facial, you know, just before the day and risk getting a skin reaction that's going to really spoil your day. At Love Your Skin, we've put together a special facial in a box for you. This means you can start at least 6 weeks before, preferably even before that if you want those best results. If you can start 6 months before, you are going to have radiant skin on the day. It will come in this beautiful box, whether you're buying it for you as a set or for anyone you want to give it to as a gift. So you might want to give one of these to each of your bridesmaids, or to the future mother-in-law, or indeed treat your mum who's really looking after you well in the lead up to your wedding. But don't forget, you're the most important if you're the bride. So what are you going to get in this special facial in a box? This truly is like you giving yourself a facial at home. So it's a professional level, and once we take the ribbon off, we take the lid off, we open beautiful black tissue wrapping. So it does make a beautiful gift for anyone you're purchasing this for. Inside you will find 3 products. Let's have a look at them. We have the Cleanse and Smooth Exfoliating Wash. We have the Brightening and Clarifying Serum. And then we have the Intensive Hydra Gel Moisturiser. So these 3 products are what are going to work miracles for you before your special big day. If we first of all take the exfoliating wash, here you have a product that is fine for every single skin type. It is a cleansing wash but with 2 exfoliators in there, one of which is a salicylic acid. So you're getting an acid peel which is really gentle, you're getting exfoliation that's taking away all the dead skin cells, and you're cleansing all of your makeup off. No separate eye makeup remover needed. This is all in one bottle, and regardless of your skin type, because we've worked hard on getting the pH level right, you can use this over your eyes, all over your face and neck twice a day safely. It will not sensitize your skin at all, but it's doing all those separate treatments that your therapist would normally do, with cleansing thoroughly and then exfoliating and giving you a peel. Literally just use it twice a day and that job is solved. And then we go on to treating your skin. Now what you want in those weeks up to your wedding is to brighten your skin. You want it to look luminous, you want it to look fresh, dewy, youthful. Everybody in your wedding party is going to notice if your skin has been well cared for, and you want to feel that radiant. The Brightening and Clarifying Serum here, which on its own would normally retail at £30, is 30 mils of packed with active ingredients in here. Here we have every antioxidant that's on the market packed into this that will brighten and make your skin feel fresh and radiant. And it is literally a water-based gel that will not leave you feeling sticky. So you will literally take that all over your face and neck, and pay particular attention because it's an eye gel as well. And this can go all around your eyes, up to your eyelashes, and certainly underneath, where if you suffer from dark circles or any puffiness, this will brighten and clarify all that area around your eyes so that they look at their very, very best. And then you need to hydrate your skin. You know, when the body is well hydrated, it is plump and full and looks youthful, just like a baby's skin. So with Love Your Skin, everything is primarily water-based, and this Hydra Gel Moisturiser will literally mix, if you like, with your serum. You can pop them together, make a customised brightening moisturiser every single day that if you use all over your skin like this, twice a day, you will see a difference. Let me give you a quick tip. I've been using this for quite a while myself, and using it on the back of my hand like I've just done to blend it, and then putting it on my face. This hand has no age spots at all, no pigmentation whatsoever. This hand where I don't blend it has 3 already. Now that begins to tell you what the power of your antioxidants within here do about reducing pigmentation, brightening and clarifying. This hand looks much better than this hand. Imagine what this is going to do for your face, and it's gentle in that build up to your special day, so you're not going to get skin reactions. Treat everybody you know that you want to look special on the day. You might even want to buy one for the groom so that he looks good too. Good luck and look forward to your day.